So it's okay. So hello people. This is Nisi and I have Cece here. So today we're gonna be doing, oh damn it, I can't live it up, an unboxing of a Nutri Ninja. So the reason why I picked up this product was because I'm gonna start giving Cece some food, and Jamar wanna have smoothie, and I was like, it doesn't make. You hear that? Do you hear that? It doesn't make sense for me to go buy like a baby maker where when the baby get older, I can't use it again, or else I'm gonna have another baby, which I'm not. So these are the things that's in there. So Cece gonna be helping me though. So we got the quick assembly from assembly. And then you have the owner guide, which I ain't gonna read it. Then you got the recipe book. I'm gonna definitely look through this to see what good recipe they have in there. So that's the book. It's a very thick book. So far it has some nice stuff in there. And I got this at BJ's, but you guys could get it on Amazon. I'm gonna definitely put a link in the description of how you could get it for yourself. The glass is very thick. You gonna help, Cece? Touch it. Touch the cup. Hold it. Oh my God. Here. Hold the cup. Oh my God, this is a mean mugging baby. Mean mugging baby. But it's not glass, it's plastic. The plastic is very, very thick. So I'm gonna definitely rinse it out, and I'm gonna test it out to see if it really works magic. When I was getting it, the guy was like, oh, this is the best thing ever you're getting, the best. So it have 3 of these. It's 3? Well, I find 2 so far, but the box is 3. So this is 2 so far. And you got the lids. You know, the lid is just the cover, and you open it, you could drink it like that. And alright, we're gonna reach for this thing is very, very heavy. Woo! So here is the base of it. Ooh. Oh, okay. So here is the magic. This is what's gonna make the magic happen. The base. This is very heavy. Let me put it over here to get it up my hand. And this is the other piece with the blender blade. So that's it. So we're gonna definitely test it out. There's nothing else in the box. That's it. So you get 3 of these, 3 different sizes, and the cover, the base, the book, and the base. If I'm saying it right, whatever. But thanks you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.